Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the mid-market update from the advisory desk. Firstly, today again the market opened on a red note, almost down by 100 points, and Nifty almost down by 55 points. Now this has led by kind of mostly the FMCG stocks as well as the realty stocks, which is also kind of on a bleeding side. As no respite seen on those stocks and sector as well. On the overnight, US markets also ended in red. Dow Jones ended down by 106 points on the concerns that the central bank might now sooner or later cut down on the stimulus program. Now coming back to the Indian market, auto is one of the sector which is also dragging the indices down. Tata Motors is down by 4.5%, Maruti is down by 1%. So actually, even the figures which came out yesterday and day before yesterday, the YOY figures matching is down by almost 12% negative for the passenger sales. So even the auto sector is facing kind of the brunt of the laxed economic activity. Coming back yesterday after the market closed, we got the rating agency Fitch commented that they have kind of revised the India rating from negative to stable. Still, the market opened today in the red and right now is down by almost 210 points at 12:30. So market is not even taking into consideration the Fitch statements which came out yesterday, and they have kind of mostly all the investors and the traders have lost kind of the benefit or the steam because of the fall in the rupee, which has almost dragged the market and the rupee is down by almost 5 to 7.5% in 1 month's time. Coming back to the stocks which are news, MMTC OFS is there, which is down 10% after the government said that they are going to offload 9.5% stake at 60 rupees, and the current market price is 189, which is in the lower circuit. So that has not gone down well amongst the investor classes. Friends, only savior for the day is Hindalco. We have Bharti Airtel, we have SBI, and some more Reliance, which is saving the market and is in the green today. More or less, we have kind of Chidambaram, who came out today and he said some notes about the economic activity, which he said there is kind of some concerns, but no need to panic as such. And even on the rupee front, he said that RBI would do its best to contain the rupee's fall. But still, after his statements, market has not kind of given the confidence, and it's still trading down by almost 200 or 210 points down. Friends, coming back to the rupee, it's 58.55 against the US dollar. It has again weakened by almost 73 paisa today. Now this has led to the concerns among the foreign investors that if rupee doesn't stabilize, that will again hinder the CAD deficit, which is almost taking the government's toll and on the finances part. Friends, we need to wait and watch. We have RBI monetary policy meet on 17th, that is the next week, Monday. Market will take cues after Monday or on Monday, depending on the RBI statement. That's all the news we have. We'll get back to you more in post-market. Thanks.